How to answer assessment questions from CANKADO Patient app. Open the CANKADO Patient app in your device. Click on Existing User. Please log in with your registered credentials. Click on Assessment. Assessments assigned to you by your physician is listed here. Click on the assessment you need to answer. Answer the questions in the assessment by selecting an answer option. Click on Finish after completing answering your assessment. You have successfully completed answering your assigned assessment. You can view your completed assessment in the Diary section. You can also preview or edit the answered assessment by clicking the assessment. If you need to further edit the assessment, click on Yes and Edit.